Tolmer Speedway, Bordertown, South Australia. The Rebuild, Part 7. Let's take a look at the Tolmer Speedway. Now that they've had their first meeting, this is the track and the facilities, our happy place.
It might seem crazy, but I'm about to say, sunshine, she's here, and you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air like I don't care, baby, by the way. Clap along if you feel it like a boat without a roof. Clap along if you feel it like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know
the Tatiara Dirt Kart Club, Bordertown, South Australia.